I'll catch another flight. Apple bomb make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Cavell. For today's video, I'm going to be making a sweater using my heat press and my Cricut. So I just figured, I'm a huge fan of oversized sweaters. I have 2 kids, so literally quick to just pull on and go. So I thought I will just make a sweater, and it's also a great way to advertise my YouTube channel as well. So I'm going to be making a little quick logo using Design Space, so I'll show you that in a second. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning into this video, and please consider subscribing. Also share this video with a friend. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. So behind me I did get some heat transfer vinyl. So these are just from the brand Siser, and I picked these up at Michael's. So I have a glitter as well as a black, so that's what we're going to be using for the design. I have some scissors, my little weeding tool, as well as something to just do some quick measurements. And then the sweater, I just picked that up from Walmart. It's a size large men's sweater. So I got it from Walmart, and I figured I'll just use this. I think it was like between $7 and $11. I really can't remember. I also have my mat, and then of course my Cricut Maker and my Vevor heat press. Yeah, so I'm gonna get straight into it by heading into Design Space. I am using it on my iPhone, so I'm gonna put that on the screen right now, and then I'll walk you through how I made my design, and then we're just gonna cut the design out and then move straight into pressing it. Oh, also forget, you're gonna need your little protective wax paper, baking sheet, whatever you want to call it. You're also gonna need that. Okay, so now I'm opening up a new project in Design Space, and for my font, I'm gonna search for a social font that I got from defont.com, and I'm just gonna search for the YouTube logo, and then once I have the YouTube logo, I'm gonna just type my YouTube name and just find a proper font to use for the name. I'm also just going to play around with the design a little bit. I'm going to add some hearts, and then I think I also want to do like a little offset for the font. So I'm going to do that next, and it's really simple and easy to do. Now for the offset, all you're really doing is just hitting the offset button, and then you're just going to use the little dial to adjust the sizing of the offset. I'm also going to be changing the colors of the offset just to make it a little bit easier when I go to cut out my design. Now that I have my design, we're going to move into the cutting, and the most important thing you want to remember is to mirror your design so it appears on the shirt properly. So you're going to also select the type of material that you're using, and then you're just going to load your Cricut Maker, and it's going to do its cutting.
Nobody like talk, but you must hustle if you want job. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like us. No con they form say you do like us.
Now I'm gonna do the same steps with the pink vinyl.
You know get in time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind.
Now I'm going to weed both of the design and move into the pressing. So I'm going to be cutting out the hearts because I want to position those closer to the wording. We're going to get into the pressing. I'm folding the shirt in half and then I'm going to press that for a few seconds just to get the center line because I want to make sure that my design is perfectly centered.
Which kind of money we never see before? Sell on me, got me feeling I'm the one a day.
Now we're going to start by positioning our base layer of the design. You really want to take your time doing this step and just make sure that everything is centered and to your liking. Once you have everything centered, you're then going to use your baking sheet to cover your design, and we're going to press that for about 10 to 15 seconds. You just really want to have it adhere to the sweater, and then once you do that, you're just going to remove the clear film and then position the top layer of your design. For the top layer, it's the same thing, nice and easy. Take your time, make sure it's positioned properly. And then just the same, you're gonna cover it with your baking sheet and then you're gonna press it for another 10 seconds. You always want to make sure you're removing the clear layer because that can also leave lines in your design. So the next thing, we're going to add the black top layer of the heart. Press that for another 5 to 10 seconds. And then we're going to do one overall press. I think I did my overall last press for about 20 seconds just to make sure everything was sealed in all together. And just like that, our sweater is complete. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is what the finished sweater looks like. And honestly, I really love this offset feature in Cricut Design Space. I think that's what really brought the design to life. Yeah, so it was pretty easy to do. Honestly, there was really nothing to it. I'm in love with the sweater, so that's why I really had to come and just throw it on right now. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about today's DIY project. Also, give this video a like, share it with a friend or family member that you think might be interested in my content. And thank you so much once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.